Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angeldreamcrafts, and I'm here with a bit of a happy mail from my friend Kimmy. Hi Kimmy! And she sent me this in the mail, and I'm really excited about it. And I'm going to have a link to Kim's YouTube channel in the description box. You guys know she is Vintage Rose Creations by Kim. So I have snipped open the end of the package. Let me just... Oh my gosh. So excited. So excited. Kim had bought a de-stash of some beautiful boho fabrics on YouTube. And she was really kind enough to share them with me. So, oh my gosh, okay. Which way should I? Let's do this way first. Kim also has a Facebook store, and she has been selling these cute little doilies in her store. And she sent me a couple of packages, which, who can't use doilies? Look at these. Love the color, Kimmy. Thank you so much. Love these. They're adorable. Great size, too. Great for flower centers. Love those. And these bags are adorable, too. Little X's and O's. And then these ones. Oh, love these. These are super cute too. And like I said, she's got these in her Facebook store called Vintage Rose Creations. If you just look that up on Facebook, you will see her Facebook group and her little Facebook store that she's got going on. And I know she's got some kits for sale at the moment too. Okay, so those are the doilies. And then, oh my gosh, these fabrics are just yum. So here is the first one. Oh, look at this. I love this. And there's a bit of a gold thread running through that. Look how pretty that is. Oh, I love that. Gorgeous. So pretty. You could cut all those out, but I mean, this would be just a gorgeous journal cover. Look at that. So pretty. Thank you, Kimmy. I love it. And this piece, I know she had got a kimono, and she was very kind to share a big piece of that with me. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's the other side. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. Oh, and look at these. She sent me two of the little closures. Yeah, she called me when she got this kimono, and she was super excited about it. How beautiful. And you sent me a huge piece. Love these closures. These will be great closures for a journal. I love those. Look how pretty they are. Super pretty. I love that it's kind of almost a lemony yellow with gold. That is a huge piece. Thank you so much. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh, I love this. Oh my goodness. This is so pretty. Look at this. Huge piece. Thank you so much, my friend. That is beautiful. Thank you. I love the color. That's my favorite color right there. Oh, and look at this. That is metal thread. You can feel that that's metal there. Look how pretty that is. I don't know if the camera will pick up, but that is definitely metal thread. You can feel that it's metal. Wow, and it's got the little sequins. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it. The metal thread is so cool. Thank you, Kimmy. Oh, I love this one too. These are amazing fabrics. Oh my goodness. Look at this. It's like a paprika color, I want to say. And it's got embroidery on it, and look at these beautiful motifs. And then it's got this at the bottom. I mean, so much you can do with that. So pretty. Oh, I love that color. I think Boho has made me appreciate the orange colors and the rust and paprika colors, you know, and cinnamon. Oh, look at this. This has little mirrors on it, look. Super pretty. Oh. And then it's got like the edging, and that's metal. This is also metal. Oh, yeah. It's just amazing, these fabrics. The handcrafted work that has gone into them is just incredible. Oh, look at this one. Wow, that's beautiful. And again, that is metal thread. You can feel that that's metal. Look how beautiful that is. You could cut each of those out if you wanted to, but again, what a beautiful cover that would be. Oh, that's gorgeous, Kimmy. Thank you so much. And look at this. These are embroidered. Absolutely gorgeous. That's more of a rusty red, that one, but it's got these beautiful embroidered pieces on it. Aw, Kim, these are gorgeous. Thank you so much. I love these, and I am going to put these to good use very soon, I think. They're absolutely stunning fabrics. This one with the metal sewing, like, OMG. Beautiful. Love the kimono. I love all of it. Thank you so much, Kimmy. And go and check out Kimmy's YouTube channel. The link is in the description box, guys. And I will be back with another video soon. Thanks, Kimmy. Mwah. Bye.